Omar Abdullah has made it clear that Article 370 is the only constitutional link between the state and the country. Accusing the BJP of misleading people, Omar says repealing it will only serve to alienate the people of Kashmir further.
I have with me the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Omar Abdullah. Sir, yesterday you pretty much made your stand clear on Twitter. You literally lambasted a statement of Dr. Jitendra Singh saying that he's kind of burning the bridge that connects the state of Jammu and Kashmir with India. How do you see his backtracking, and what exactly is your response?
I don't know the reasons behind his backtracking. That is a question for Dr. Jitendra Singh. As far as we are concerned, we have made our thoughts very clear about the dangers of tinkering with Article 370. It is a fact that Article 370 is that constitutional link between Jammu and Kashmir and the rest of India. If you remove that link, then what is left? That is the question we are asking Dr. Jitendra Singh and the BJP. It's one thing to raise this issue in the heat of the election to garner votes. It's quite another to now start telling us that you are in discussions with people and that you are in consultation with stakeholders. I don't know which stakeholders they're talking about.
So we've already seen that within the BJP or its allies like the Shiv Sena, they are already coming out and saying that there is absolutely nothing wrong in what Dr. Jitendra Singh said, and there should be a debate. And in fact, the Article 370 has in fact worked in a kind of an anti-way for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It hasn't benefited them. So how do you see these ways?
The only thing that has worked against the people of Jammu and Kashmir is violence. How come Article 370 was not an issue before 1989? And please remember, the BJP is willingly misleading the people of India. They are telling people that when we abrogate Article 370, you can come to Jammu and Kashmir and buy land. Article 370 has nothing to do with the purchase or sale of land in Jammu and Kashmir. That is our state subject laws.
Now, in its core group meeting, the National Conference strongly condemned the centre's stand on Article 370, and while the RSS backed the BJP, the Congress supported Omar's stand, setting the stage for an all-out political war in the valley.
Article 370 makes it very clear. If you read Article 370, subsection 3, that the President of India can only, by notification, repeal Article 370 if it has the explicit consent of the Constituent Assembly. And the Constituent Assembly has been prorogued, it ceases to exist, it has been dissolved, it cannot be resurrected. So obviously a bare read of the constitutional provisions makes it clear that it is not possible, even if there is a desire to repeal Article 370. So I guess there should be a bare basic understanding of the provisions of the Constitution before any articulation is done or any statement is made on such a sensitive issue.
Well, I think Mr. Omar Abdullah should read the BJP's manifesto, and I don't think after that he will have much to say. But since he wants to make it into a political issue, I think it is important that Mr. Abdullah should respect unanimous resolution on Jammu and Kashmir by the Parliament, and being a constitutional head himself, I don't think he can afford not to honor the Constitution, where Jammu and Kashmir remains an integral part of India.
Statement of the minister concerned over a debate on 370 should be taken in a positive light. There is no reason to rake up a political controversy over it. At an appropriate time, the usefulness or otherwise of the Article 370 can be and needs to be discussed. Nobody should have any reservations over an open-ended dialogue and discussion on the subject. Why should anyone take offense to one suggestion by the concerned minister? And where is the need for raking up such a political controversy, talking about separation of Jammu and Kashmir for India, etc., etc.? This is highly uncalled for.
हमने तो हर समय कहा धारा 370 के आधार पर ही जम्मू कश्मीर जुड़ी है हिंदुस्तान के साथ, और वो जो धारा 370 को लागू करने में जो खामियां रही है वो एक बहुत ही बड़ा कारण है जिसके चलते हुए ये तनाव की परिस्थिति अभी भी जिंदा है जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में। तो इसलिए हमारा जो क्रिटिसिज्म है सरकार का वो उल्टी है कि धारा के अंदर जो आपने वादा किया था उन वादाओं को आप पूरा नहीं कर रहे हो। अब उन लोगों की धारणा जो आरएसएस की है वो उल्टी है कि धारा को ही खत्म कर दीजिए आप। तो ये हम समझते हैं बहुत ही विवादास्पद होगा। इसके चलते हुए अपनी पूरी देश की अंदरूनी सुरक्षा के बारे में एक बहुत खतरनाक परिस्थिति पैदा होगी।
नहीं, इस छत के नीचे और इस कक्ष में सिर्फ विज्ञान की सुगंध आ रही है। वो मैंने कहा कि वो जिस परिप्रेक्ष्य में जो बात हुई है वो उसी परिप्रेक्ष्य में वहां होगी। यहाँ हम केवल साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं, बैठे हैं। एंड आई थिंक लेट्स कन्फाइन आवरसेल्व्स टू द सब्जेक्ट।